Okay, now we've got the stepper motors hooked up and tested out. I want to teach you about about what it means to release the motors. So the stepper motors have these coils inside that the driver can energize, and those coils will hold this motor in place. And while it's holding it in place, it's using a fair amount of energy, and these things will heat up. So once you're finished using the motor, it's good to release the motor, which, even though it's not turning, it's being held. And when you're done, you want to release the motor so that you're not using as much current and these things don't get so hot. And then once it's released, you'll be able to turn it. You can't tell, but I can't turn it right now because it's being held. I'll show you what I mean. So let's say we want to attach a piece of wood here. Looks like the shaft is about this size. So we'll drill a hole in the piece of wood, like this. Okay, now, if we put this piece of wood on here and we run the test program, you can see that the wood doesn't move because it's not grabbing onto the post very well. The post is turning inside the hole there. So let's put in a set screw. So we want to screw this screw in so that it goes into the hole from the side. Hitting the hole is a little tricky. Oh, that's not gonna work. I'm gonna use this different screw. That screw has a weird head. Okay, now, you can't see it, but this screw goes into the hole that I drilled through it into the side, and I'm going to use that as a set screw. So I'll back it out so that the screw is not in the hole at all. That's easy to put on here. But then as I tighten it down, it'll tighten onto the shaft. Not only that, but there's one particular place in the shaft where the shaft is flat, and if you can get the screw tightened onto that part, then it'll be even tighter. It'll be even stronger. Okay, now the screw is really grabbing on there. So now if I run the test program, the shaft won't rotate in the hole anymore. The shaft will turn the stick like this. But here, let me show you that again. I'm going to run the program again, and the shaft rotates the stick. But when the program is finished, the motor is still holding on to, the coils are still energized, and so the motor is still being held in place. If I run the release program though, then that will remove the power from the coils, and so now the motor is free to turn. Normally, if you don't run the release program, then you can't turn the stick because the motor is grabbing onto it. So that's what release is for. Let me show you that again. So after the program runs, it'll keep holding it. The program finishes, but the driver still holds onto the motor. So then you run another program called release that tells the driver to let go of the motor. And then this is not the stick moving on the shaft. This is the shaft moving in the motor because it's been released. I think you get it.